Hello and thank you very much for joining me today. This is Faizan from Talent Factory. Today we are going to start a brand new journey into the world of Blender. Let's start this journey together. In this series, I will teach you Blender from absolute beginner level. That means you don't need to have any prior experience in 3D. If you have never used any 3D software before, this course is made specifically for you. So let's get started.
Throughout this course, I'll guide you through Blender in a structured and easy to follow way. Before we begin, let's take a look at how the course is organized. The course is divided into two main parts. The part 1 focuses on Blender fundamentals. Here we'll learn the core concepts, understand the user interface, explore the 3D viewport, master the navigation, and become comfortable with Blender essential tools. Once we've built the foundation, we'll move on to the part number 2, where we will put everything into practice. We'll learn mesh modeling, create real projects, apply materials, set up lighting, position cameras, and produce the final renders. To get the best learning experience, I encourage you to follow the lessons in the order they are presented, as each lesson builds upon the previous one. Now let's take a look at the course outline of part 1. As you can see, each part of the course is divided into sections. And for part 1, there are going to be 7 sections. In section 1, we'll have an introduction to Blender software. We will also discuss the prerequisites needed before getting started with Blender. In section 2, we'll download Blender, install it on Windows, and go through the basic preferences to prepare our workspace. In section 3, we'll explore Blender's user interface. In section 4, we'll take a closer look at the 3D viewport and become familiar with its tools, menus, and options. In section 5, we'll learn how to navigate efficiently inside the 3D viewport. In section 6, we'll learn how to select objects and perform essential transformations such as moving, rotating, and scaling. And finally, in section 7, we'll learn how to manage and organize objects within our scene. Once we have completed the part 1, you'll have a solid understanding of Blender's fundamentals and feel confident working within the software. In part number 2, we will be having some practical work. We'll do practical modeling, we'll build upon the foundation by learning edit mode, applying materials, setting up lighting, positioning cameras, and producing final renders. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge, confidence, and practical experience to continue your journey towards Blender and start creating your 3D models and scene. Now that you know what lies ahead, let's proceed with section 1.